This has been a huge waste of money.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work either. You gotta really start at the start again.
I've been cooking barbecue here in Ireland for over 20 years, but I've never cooked the king of Texas barbecue, and that's brisket, simply because Irish cows just ain't the same. So I imported the brisket from the good old US of A.
This is a lot bigger than I actually thought. Let's open it. God.
Crazy money. This is Creekstone Farms.
I actually don't know what I'm going to do with this now. I think I might just start defrosting it. I don't even think the sink is big enough. Oh boy. Won't fit in the sink. Gosh. It won't fit in the fridge. So, I don't know.
I have no choice now but to defrost it, trim it, pray that it fits in the fridge. Otherwise, this has been a huge waste of money.
Every part of me, except one part, is going, was this a good idea? So we're changing the water every 30, 40 minutes in the bat. It is definitely getting softer, but I've always held brisket up here on like a really high pedestal. So I'm definitely intimidated by it. I started watching Aaron Franklin years and years and years ago when I got my first barbecue, proper one, like a Weber kettle. And I hold Aaron in such high regard and what he's done and achieved, and brisket, I've always been afraid to kind of cook it. I'm freaking out about that. I'm freaking out when it is trimmed. Will it fit in the fridge in some way? And I gotta dig out, will I just season it now and keep it in the fridge overnight? I've seen Aaron Franklin do that a few times. I'm just like, my mind is freaking out right now. We are defrosted, I think, I hope. And yeah, this is the part I'm dreading more than anything. Even though I know about the trimming, read about it for years, watched it for years, I'm still just going, where do I even start?
Here we go. You folks might think I'm absolutely nuts, but I want to keep this. I want to keep this because I won't be buying a lot of these. First thing that comes off, and I mean, this is really hard fat. Okay. Once we screw this up, oh man, maybe I should watch another video.
Actually, want to try to make it as flat as possible.
So this is now where I'm thinking, should all this come off? Because it is definitely a lot of hard. Fuck it. No looking back, Vic. I need to make it smaller anyway. Yeah. Having had barbecue in the States countless times, in Texas, in Pekin Lodge, in Lewis Barbecue, and Hometown Barbecue, I know what good brisket tastes like. And gotta say, I'm going to be a bit disappointed if it's going to be nowhere near as close to that. Yeah, we scalped it. We scalped it. I knew we'd do it. Alright. Hey, it fits. Alright. Oh, that was stressful. Will that fit in the fridge? Following morning, all the stress is over, so now I'm going to season it, and I've just left the brisket rest in the fridge overnight. There we are. Seasoning wise, I'm going with the old salt and pepper. After looking at another couple of videos and went to bed last night, I don't think I've completely screwed it up. So let's get this bad boy into the tray here. Actually, I might get a rack. Probably get some air at the bottom as well. Here we go. There we go. Let's go.
I don't know whether it's romantic or what, but there's something very cool about being the only one around in the dead of night, so quiet, and just smoke, fire. This is a good challenge. Not sure how I'm going to get through the night. I was thinking 20-30 minute naps, alarm, new wood, but I'm going to have a beer or two, and then probably move on to Monster. Right, we're at about 275, so the temp is dropping. Just got another log on, and it is 340. So I'm going to get the brisket on here a little bit later than I'd hoped. But here we go. Let's do this. Mistake number 2. I actually should have left this out like an hour ago to come up to room temp. So the fucking thing now is really cold because it's been in the fridge. Fuck it, nothing I can do now. It is 3:43 a.m. We're looking at probably around 9 a.m. take to check the temp. And now it's just trying to manage the fire. So as I thought, we are having kind of wild temperature swings. I think we're definitely after losing a lot of heat. We're down to 235. So I want to be at 250. Got some logs in. But something to spike things up a little bit more, just to give it a boost, is this heat gun. 270, which is not where we want to be, but obviously this is gonna come back down. So much for getting sleep every 20 minutes. It is now 5 a.m. Dawn's just broke. You can hear the birds. And another 4 hours to go before we open the lid and see how fucked up this brisket is. It's been an experience. So. Here I go! It's now 7:30. So, because we've had 1 or 2 wild little temperature swings, I fell asleep. Going to take a look and see how we're doing, just in case anything is starting to crisp up. Oh, okay. There we go. That was interesting. Too much bark there. Oh, like that's rendering really nicely. Yeah, I've kind of screwed the bark here. I think it just got, maybe it needed a binder. I don't know what that's right now. 50. At this stage, it looks okay. It's definitely kind of curling. I think maybe temperature swings definitely should have been spritzing. And here's the thing, right? When you actually look at the brisket, you're like, this looks good. And parts of it are probing like butter, but this is what we're in so far. Just 5 hours.
it. So we definitely got a good bark set. My wife not trying to fall into the door. Right. We get it down over here, and voila.
Just when things were going right, but I've lost the fire. You can see it there. Lost the fire. Spent the last couple of minutes trying to get it back. 2 logs went in that were a bit too dense, and just like nodding off. And I have so much newfound respect for everyone who does this on a regular basis. I know it gets easier the more you do it, but holy shit.
Yeah, that ain't gonna work either. You gotta really start at the start again. Fuck my life. So, we have a new cold bed. It's not even that hot, but okay, so this is what we're screaming at now, 322. That's gonna set it back down to about 280. 275, and I might just have to give up and get it out to going. It's 3 p.m. 3:40 will be on exactly like the 12 hours. Man, I really truly underestimated this. I think we were going to be there nearly 14 hours. Probably screwed it. So, ooh, that's butter. What are we at? 203. Let's go down here. 1, 2. Come on. Alright, here we go. Finally. Oh yeah, I mean, like this. Okay. Oh, that would not be good. Oh, the smell. This is like jiggling. I can feel it. I thought I screwed this up. I didn't. All right, let's go. So we're going to leave it here for around an hour. I don't even think it needs to go into the cooler. Yeah. So we're going to leave it rest here, and that's it. First ever brisket.
Yay.
And it does smell like Texas. What are you looking at? Perfect. Right, into the Yeti this goes. Here we go. Finally, we are here. And quite appropriately, we are using Aaron Franklin's Franklin BBQ brisket cutting knife. So, kind of nervous about cutting it. Because if I do screw it up, then yeah, whew. The smells here, folks. Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Okay. I mean, this thing. Look, it is butter. Okay. First slice. Take this. There's look at that. Look at the bent head. There we go. Oh. Oh. Oh Jesus. This is these over here. Look at that! Look at that! I know you shouldn't squeeze it, but I don't care. It's first ever one. Oh man. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay. Definitely overdone it with the seasoning. Nice and fatty. Look at this. Look at this. Look. I mean, look. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh. Oh Jesus. Oh. Oh. Wow. That is just so freaking good. Oh. Amazing. Phenomenal. How did I screw up the camera at the very end? Oh, wow. Dinner.